Blocks shapes in Scratch. As you must have observed, the blocks in Scratch are in different shapes. They can be divided into 6 types of shapes. They are hat, stack, boolean, reporter, C, and cap. Hat blocks. They are called hat blocks as they look like a hat. We wear a hat on our head, so the hat always comes on the top. Similarly, hat blocks always come at the top of a script as they start a script. This means that you cannot place any blocks above them. Stack blocks. Stack blocks are the most used blocks in Scratch. They perform the main commands. Stack blocks have a bowl-shaped cut on the top and a bump at the bottom. This makes it easier to stack other blocks above and below them. Boolean blocks. Boolean blocks are condition blocks which return the values true or false or the number 0 or 1 depending on how they are used in the script. Reporter blocks. Reporter blocks can hold values which consist of numbers or strings. If you ask, what is 3 plus 3? It will answer 6. They have round edges. C blocks. As the name suggests, C blocks are C-shaped. They are also known as wrap blocks. These are loop blocks to check if a condition is true in the blocks within the loop. The C blocks are present in the control blocks category. Cap blocks. The blocks that end scripts are known as cap blocks. They have a notch at the top and a flat bottom. They are usually the last blocks in the script. They are also present in the control blocks category.